Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing Pricing explained what you get for your money. Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing is built for businesses that want to turn real-time conversations into measurable revenue. Most people get this wrong. They assume Drift is just a chatbot tool, but the Enterprise plan is a full-scale conversational marketing hub with AI-powered automation, advanced analytics, and multi-channel engagement. Pricing is customized based on team size, number of contacts, and features. Enterprise users gain access to unlimited chatbots, conversation routing, personalized messaging, advanced analytics dashboards, integrations with CRMs and marketing tools, and priority support. This makes it ideal for large marketing teams managing multiple campaigns across channels. Key features include real-time lead qualification, AI-driven chat responses, account-based marketing automation, and conversation analytics. Marketing teams can capture leads instantly, route conversations to the right sales reps, and analyze engagement data to optimize campaigns. For example, a bit sauce company can automate lead qualification, book demos directly through chat, and track which messaging converts best. The main advantage is efficiency and scalability. Enterprise features enable teams to engage prospects at the right time, reduce response delays, and gain insights into campaign performance, all while maintaining a personalized experience. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing Pricing reflects the value of a platform designed to turn conversations into revenue. For organizations looking to streamline lead generation, automate workflows, and measure conversational impact, this plan provides the tools, support, and flexibility needed to succeed.